Cardiac auscultation is a skill with universal use and application. Regardless of the clinical setting or specialty interest, the practitioner will find that the ability to interpret the sounds generated by the heart will be invaluable. In this section, the basic concepts of heart sounds and murmurs will be introduced. The sounds you are about to hear represent a combination of mechanically replicated and real cardiac sounds. Inasmuch as the artificial sounds can be added and removed at will, they are used to permit the learner to develop a feel for the timing of each sound or murmur discussed. In order to familiarize the learner with the actual quality of each sound, real examples of normal and abnormal sounds and murmurs will be introduced where appropriate. In this way, the learning or reviewing of cardiac auscultation can be facilitated. Proficiency in cardiac auscultation can only be acquired through repetitive practice on a day-to-day basis.